Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, we have done to create a block API and return in with block page. And we didn't implement the pager that. So today I'm going to do with the pager functionality. So to do that in API block view, we can check with the add in pager section and to display with the page output and full pager and change the setting with the item. For now, the current item display per page is a 10. Now for setting, I'm going to set it by 1 for easy to see, and also okay, and also the pay ID is with 0 by default. Okay, so and apply that. Now and we save change. Okay, so in Postman, I'm open that in Postman. So yes, and now and send. So we have only one node, then just one node. So if we set in piece equal number 0 by default, it returns the latitude, and now p1 you can see the value node is 1. Okay, so here is how we call to API by guess. Now open a block component in HTML and we take a look at pager. Let's see, p block post component. Okay, it's a block post, and we need to take in the block list component. Okay, here we have pagination. Now I'm going to cast this into another component by in app component. I'm going to type ng general component, and so I'm going to navigation. We make a new folder. So okay, I'm going to create a new folder inside app by answer element. Okay, so it's the ng general component folder element and pager. Okay, so the pager component has been generated. Now let's copy that into elements pager component HTML and pass here. So now get back into block component. We embed with the app pager. Pager. But I don't want to include app here, so just pager. So how to change that? You can change by in pager.component.ts by rename to pager and save it as. And now we could choose simply to remove app. So we need to wait for the app rebuild and automatically refresh. So we have the same. Now we have to make some input value. For example, a current. For example, current AP current by pay current in show in block component in block component we have a something. Okay, so let's make config setting hereby. Let's pager equal this current equal 0 by default 0 and pcal it will be for example by we have about tens pcal 10 and per page we have item per page. For example, we have only 2. Okay, that's 2. Just 1. This is for formatting. And so pager current. So now in block component, let pay current equal pager does current, and we have also item per page equal pager does item per page, and we have another input value page get back to block page counts equal pager does page count. So inside the pager component we made some input value by inputs. Okay, so we have inputs. It's automatically inputs. So let's copy. We have a pay current. This will be number. Let's copy that. And item per page is also number as well. And let's copy that with the pay count. Okay, right. And so in pager.html by let's paycal. Okay, paycal by sure. So we need to add a new value by paste equal will be an array of number. So an array of number equal by default that. So we can implement a new by on change. So we have ng on change. So let's just pay current. Sorry, I think we need to make that for input set. Current set paper current. Set space current. Input says pay current by number and this will be a function and remove that. First. So just remove that and this does pay current equal current. Okay, so with same with item per pay, let's cut that into a new function by so item per pay with items will be with number as well. Jesus item per pay equal item. Okay. Oops. Input set. Sorry, we forgot add set. Let's copy that for the same and says paycal with a function paycal with a number and this does paycal equal cal. And if we have a set pay item per pay and pay current item per pay and paycal. So if we set the paycal, so I'm going to update the pay with an array by okay and for index equal 0 for less index equal less than with paycal. This paycal and index plus plus. We reset the basis set p equal, we empty an array, and now this does p does push index. And so in HTML parser, I am going to loop with the plus equal current. So and the for less pace of pace. So we have p does p does p, just p only, and we have a class does current p if p equal current p current. Now we could remove the thing. Sorry, I think we are adding with that's a link here. Okay. So we wait for it. I'm sorry. Okay, click to block and check something happen here. Okay, we maximum like pay current. And remove, yes. We don't need and the module and the chain. Now let's set bigger and set. Okay. Guess back to block. And something still happened here. In paste component set, maximum call stack size is 0. Let's pay current. Set pay current. Oh, sorry, it's a number. Okay, and should be number. So we wait for the page reloads and click to block. Okay, it's them. Current. So okay, I'm fix that problem by remove sets. We don't need to set anymore. Okay, so let's try refresh browser. Click on the block. Now we can see this previous. Okay, so we don't have any paycal. P. So pay current will be number, but by default it should be a 0, and item per page is also number, and by default it should be 0 as well. And item sorry, which we paycal should be number, and by default it should be 0. So if we set it does current pay current equal current, okay, and this does item per pay equal item, and also this does pay cows equal cows, okay, and we should be underscore pay cows. So it should be look good for now, and try for browser going to refresh. Okay, so we have a page 1, 2, 0, and I think 0 should be 1. Okay, index from 1 to equal. Okay, I'm sorry, it should be 0. However, inside HTML we could simply by p plus 1 . Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10. Sorry. Okay, it looks good for now. So now we do functional how to click on it here, and we saw inside we reload the block post by call to API with pay number. Okay, so one click by click should be function on pay change with piece. So inside the pager component, we create a new function by p string number. So page first, and the pay chain, and how we the call from the children component into person component. So to do that with Angular 2 provides by the outputs. So outputs. So we can see outputs class has import outputs by a on page change. So we duplicate function on page change. So page change should by even emitter with a string with number equal new even emitter. Number page change. Show page in Pager or in block we can simply by page change to do on page change with even. So on page change in block component we can take here by on page change even. Now I control the slot pay click and even. So inside Pager component by on page change, so when we click and to the page number by this does on page change does page change does emits with page. Okay. I'm sorry. So now get back to the browser and open the console. Now I'm going to click by page 1. Okay. Okay, nothing happened. Outputs page change. Sorry, C should be capitalized. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got the value here. This is for current page. And when we click here, so we also update with current page. Page current. Now get back. Page current is and should be update page current by this does page current equal page P and pay current. It should be underscore pay current. Save and G. I'm sorry. G. So that's back. Pay current. Item per page. So I'm looking to fix the problem by activate with current pay. And you can see it has class current, but now let's try let's copy that in and put into link and see. Yeah. Okay, so it fixed problem. So if I want to click to 2 and 4 and 5, 6, okay, and now we need to make, I'm sorry, we need to make a function for the next button and previous button. To do that, so in with, okay, remove that for by click equal previous. With name. So in Pager component, we create a new function, new two function by previous and next. So this does pay current equal. So if this pay current okay, right. And now is this does next. Sorry, it's pay current. And if this does pay current, this does pay cal. Pay cal. Okay, save that. Okay, so now we test with next function. Next, 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 and next, and next. Okay, and previous. Okay, we have a problem is with previous is plus 2 0. Okay, it should be good for now. Next. Okay, and previous. Okay, so it looks good for now. And also we need to vary with the pay current. This does page change does emit. This does pay current and copy that. Cool. Pay click. Now clear that. 1 0. Cool. It's look good. The function now is really good. Now I'm in block component. I'm going to change pay count to 8. Okay, we have only a item. Okay, so gets back into API function. So when we got inside block component, when we got with the pay with event, so we also reload pay by calling to block service. So on paging. So when we got paging, so now this does block service does get purse. So simply I'm going to copy that for real quick. But we need to modify with the get purse function in block service to vary up filter. So I think we should be page this number, and the API now we less endpoints equal. This is URL block. Okay, so the page should be optional. Just mean it could be empty. And if page we show endpoint will be blocked with p equal page. I'm sorry, with plus with p. And now so we modify it by endpoint. Okay, so we could in block component we can pay, I'm sorry, by okay, with a number, so pay should be number and pay. Okay, so let's check its refresh. P should be refreshed. Okay, so if I click to part 2, so we have a change with the title, then get back to page 1. Okay, so it's the title change. To making my screen too smaller for easy to see. If I click to number 2, you can see the change, page change. Number 1, okay, next, and back. Okay, so the pager is working. So in the next video, we will implement with pager by with view result. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.